Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to connect Codesys to Factory I/O. First, let's create a new project. Since I will be using my Windows PC as PLC, we choose Codesys Control Win64 project. Next, we want to go to the device settings. Then we want to start our PLC. We can now see that the PLC is in run mode. Next, we want to scan our network and choose the Windows PLC. If it's your first time, you will be asked to give your device a name and password. If we right-click our application, we want to add a global variable list. In this video we will solve the scene from A to B set and reset, so I will add the tags used in that scene. Then we can go to the PLC main program and do the programming to solve the scene. I will then compile the code to check if there's any errors. Next, we want to open the Device tab and change some security settings. We need to change to Optional User Management, and check the box that says Allow Anonymous Login. If we then go to Access Rights and click on the Reload button, we will see that the OPC UA server will be added. If we right-click the application again, we want to add a symbol configuration, and make sure the Support OPC UA Features box is checked. If we then click on Build, we can check all our tags from the global variable list we made. Now, last thing to do is to log in and do a download of the program and settings. Now in Factory I/O I will open up from A to B set and reset scene. If we then go to driver settings, we want to choose OPC client. We then want to go to configuration and browse our local OPC UA server. And now we just add our tags on the right place. We can now start the PLC and the Factory I/O scene. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.